Today we're talking about dryer vents. The NFPA did a 4-year study and found that 13,820 dryers caught on fire. Of those, a third were caused by failure to clean, and 3/4 of them were electric dryers. So that whole thinking of just because you don't have a gas dryer, you are safer, you are not. Now the NFPA and experts will tell you to go ahead and clean your dryer vent once a year. They're not wrong, but ultimately it depends on your household. Are you a retiree doing a load once a week? Or are you washing clothes for a family of 5 involved in sports? I say if you can't remember cleaning out your dryer vent in the last 3 to 5 years, you need to do it now. Then at least inspect it once a year. Now, one of the most obvious signs of a dirty vent, besides actually looking in it, is your clothes aren't going to be drying as well. You may even think that your dryer is actually getting ready to go out on you. Also, you may notice that your lint trap has to be cleaned out more frequently. Bottom line is that your dryer vent is probably overdue for a cleaning. When it comes to inspecting and cleaning of your laundry dryer lint vent, it may be just an easy spring cleaning chore or something that's better left to a professional. If your dryer is on an exterior wall and that vent just pops right through that wall, go for it. If you have an interior centralized laundry room and that vent travels through the walls to get to the